Here we have a rare beast, XC Falcon 500 351 V8, the factory 4-speed manual. XC was the last of the this body series that debuted in 72 with the XA. Then it went to the XB series in I think 73, and then in 76 the XC was released. You can see that had the GS pack here with these extra driving lights, the bonnet air intakes, and blackout treatment around the door handles and the door frames. And then inside you can see these perforated seats, and then full instrumentation similar to the GXL. I'll just put a photo up there of the Fairmont GXL XC, which was even a higher spec car that replaced the GT series in the XC range, because the GT was dropped after XB, reintroduced many years later with FPV, or actually even earlier than that with the EB GT. But this was the last of that series. Then it was replaced with the GXL in XC. This is factory 4-speed manual, again 9-inch diff, forward disc brakes, really high performance car, and very, very cool. The XC also had different tail lights. See the treatment there compared to the XB series and the XA series. I'll just put a couple of shots up there of the XA and XB rear end treatment so you can see the difference between the models. But really, really nice. Another change on XC was also this rear door. This was lower. In the XBs it sort of came up higher here, so they increased the glass area on the XC. And the XC was also very famous for an ad that they did with Alan Moffat and other race car drivers in response to Holden's ad about radial tuned suspension, where Holden was basically showing its superior handling with radial tuned suspension. And then in response to that, Ford did a fantastic ad with some racing car drivers where they didn't go around witches' hats, they went around racing car drivers. It was a nice response. Anyway, XC Falcon 500, GS spec, could be an X-High Patrol, I'm not sure, but thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.